You have 2/3 plus 1 3/5. What is the first thing we are going to do? Yes, you look at your denominators. Okay, then what do we do? Right, you need to find equivalent fractions. You need to work with your fractions first. So you're going to take your fractions, which are 2/3 and 3/5. And you are going to find multiples of your denominators. Here are your multiples of 3. You have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 27. Keep going. Then you have your multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. And you keep on going. But remember, we need to find the least number that they share. And can you see the least number that they share? Yes, that is 15. Your LCD is now 15. What are you going to do with that? You know your LCD is 15. What are you going to do with it? Yes, that is now your new denominator. You're going to set your fractions equal to your new denominators. And you're going to ask yourself, how many times did you add 3 to get to 15? You added it 5 times. You need to multiply both your numerator and your denominator by 5. And you will see that now your new fraction is 10/15. And you're going to do the same thing with the 1 3/4. But you're not paying attention to the 1 right now. Ignore the 1. Pay attention to your fraction. How many times did you add 5 to get to 15? Very good. You added it 3 times. You're going to multiply both your numerator and your denominator by 3. And now you're going to see what is our new fraction. Our new fraction is now 9/15. And you still keep that 1 because you're not doing anything with the whole number yet. But they're together, so you can't not write it. Or if you don't write it, just remember that it's there. Now we have fractions where our denominators are the same. What do we do now? Yes, we add our numerators together. You add 10 and 9 together. So you have 10/15 plus 1 9/15, but you're still only working with your fractions. 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. Keep your denominator. Keep that whole number. But look at this fraction right here. Remember we said if your numerator is bigger than your denominator, that is an improper fraction. Now you need to change that. And the way we change that is we know that we need to divide. How many times can 15 go into 19? 1 time. Because 15 times 1 is equal to 15. Subtract. And you are left with 4. But because this is 5th grade and we are talking about fractions, or because we're talking about fractions, we're not going to have a remainder. No. We stopped having remainders when we left 4th grade. Now we're going to rewrite this as a mixed number. Now we need to write it as a mixed number. As a mixed number, it will be 1 4/15. But remember we said we have this 1 whole right here. Now we have to go back to that. Because we already have our 1 whole, guess what? We now need to add it to the whole that we already have. And our final answer is Drum roll, please. 2 and 4/15. Yes, that is our final answer. Because we have this extra one hole from the 1915.